Hey, get crazy with that fucker. Hey, right back there. Right behind this car. So you can roll back a little bit.
The other side was like...
We're trying to figure it out.
There you go, try that.
Hang on, check the other side and then get that back side a little bit too. Maybe.
This one's going forward out there with the backwards kind of stuff. Yeah. You want to go forward anyhow, so let it ride. Right on with it.
Well, at least he's making ruts. Hey, now he's working it. Almost, almost. Hang on. Steve, straighten your wheel a little bit when you go backwards. There you go, there you go. Now go backwards. There you go. Fucking A right there. Right there, Ricky. Oh, almost had it. Uh-oh. No more digging. Look at that fucking tire's barely even touching the front. Ain't that shit cool? Yeah, you may be. You may be right. No, you gotta stay here. Hey, welcome to Greece, man. Now turn your wheel to the right when you go forward. Next time you go forward.
What?
Turn your back up and then turn your wheel to the right when you go forward. Uh-oh. I bet Steve goes and buys some new tires here before too long.
Gonna be in that new team.
Shits and giggles. I think right behind that, or right in front of the back tire over here. Right? Hey, stop! Hold it right there, Scott, Steve. Hold it right there. Yeah, you don't have to take a whole lot out. There you go. There you go. Go around there. Nice, nice. There's a cameo from Quaid. Ooh, man, that been cool if the tire spin. You're good. You're good. There you go. There you go. Oh, oh, That's all right. He'll be fine. He's doing fine. Now he's working. He's making ruts. I bet you the next guy that tries this. It might be me. It's like slippery. Hey, Craig, take him down a little bit in front. Yeah, just leave it there. Yeah, that's right. Doing good, Michael. All right. Oh, yeah. Man, if you can line that bitch up. Sweet. As soon as we get the shot, oh, man, he almost had it. Well, he's got this time. He's got this time. That's right. Hey, it's a 12-minute video of my fucking. That's a little fucking mud hole now. What do you think, fellas?
He said butt fucking.
Woo! I didn't mean it like that, though.